say more English.
Thank you for calling Maple Family Clinic. How can I help you today?
Hi, are you accepting new patients?
Yes, we are. I can help you set up a new patient profile and schedule an appointment.
I'm a new patient, and I've had a sore throat for about a week. I've also had a low-grade fever on and off.
I'm sorry you're not feeling well. Is this urgent, or can it wait for an appointment?
It's not an emergency, I just want to be seen as soon as possible.
Okay, may I have your full name, please?
My name is Eric Parker.
Thank you. Could you spell your last name for me?
Sure, it's P-A-R-K-E-R.
Great. What is your date of birth?
It's May 25th, 1988.
And what's the best number to reach you?
You can reach me at 555-434-5566.
One moment, please, while I enter your information.
Sure, thank you.
Thanks for holding. I have your profile started. Do you have health insurance?
Yes, I do. I also wanted to ask, do you take my insurance?
We accept many plans, but we do need to verify it. What is your insurance company and plan type?
It's Blue Cross Blue Shield, and it's a PPO plan.
Okay, we can check that. Benefits depend on the plan, so I can't guarantee coverage details.
Do you know what the copay is for a sick visit?
I can't promise an exact amount. Many copays are around $20 to $50, but it varies by plan.
So the best way is to call my insurance to confirm?
Yes, that's the best way.
Okay, what is the earliest available appointment?
Let me check our schedule. We have an opening tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. or Wednesday at 3:15 p.m.
I can do tomorrow at 10:30 a.m.
Great. I can get you in tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. with Dr. Martinez for a sick visit.
Can you confirm the appointment time again, please?
Yes, your appointment is tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. with Dr. Martinez.
Do I need to arrive early?
Yes, please arrive 10 to 15 minutes early for check-in.
Do I need to fill out new patient forms?
Yes, you can complete the forms online, or you can come early and fill them out at the front desk.
What should I bring with me?
Please bring a photo ID, your insurance card, and a list of your medications.
I only take vitamins. Should I list those too?
Yes, please list any vitamins or supplements as well.
What is the clinic address?
We are located at 1222 Maple Avenue, Suite 200, Springfield.
Is there parking there?
Yes, we have a free parking lot in front of the building.
Great, so I'm scheduled for tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. with Dr. Martinez.
Yes, that's correct. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all. Thank you. Goodbye.
Hello, thank you for calling. How may I assist you today?
I have an appointment next week, but I need to reschedule.
Sure, I can help with that. May I have your full name?
My full name is Kevin Park.
Thank you. And what is your date of birth?
It's March 12th, 1997.
And can you spell your last name for me?
Yes, P-A-R-K.
Great. Let me pull up your record.
Sure.
I see you have an annual physical scheduled for Tuesday at 10 a.m. with Dr. Lee at our Main Street location.
Yes, that's the one.
What day and time would you like to move it to?
Do you have anything later that day?
One moment, please. I'm checking Tuesday afternoon now.
Thank you.
Thanks for holding. We do have an opening on Tuesday at 3:10 p.m.
Oh, that would be great.
I also have Wednesday at 2:30 p.m. and Thursday at 4 p.m. the same week.
Those are good options too.
If you'd like another option, the earliest afternoon slot next week is Monday at 1:40 p.m., or I can check a different provider at our East Side office.
I prefer to keep the same doctor and same location if possible.
No problem. These times are with Dr. Lee at Main Street, so the doctor and location would stay the same.
Then I'll take Tuesday at 3:10 p.m.
Perfect. I'll reschedule you to Tuesday at 3:10 p.m.
Just to confirm, that's the same doctor, Dr. Lee, and the same Main Street clinic, right?
Yes, same doctor and same location.
Great. And what's your cancellation policy? Is there a late cancellation fee?
There's no fee as long as you let us know at least 24 hours in advance.
Good to know. Thank you.
You're welcome. Please arrive 10 to 15 minutes early to check in.
Okay.
And please bring a photo ID and your insurance card.
I will.
Let me repeat the details. You are scheduled for Tuesday at 3:10 p.m. for your annual physical with Dr. Lee at the Main Street location.
Yes, that sounds correct.
Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's everything.
All right, thanks for calling. We'll see you on Tuesday.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too, goodbye. Good morning, thank you for calling. What can I help you with today?
Hi, I'm calling to make an appointment for my daughter. She's been coughing, and she has a sore throat and a runny nose.
I can help with that. What is your daughter's full name?
Her name is Emma Rivera.
Could you spell her last name for me?
Sure, R-I-V-E-R-A.
Thank you. And what is Emma's date of birth?
August 16, 2013.
One moment, please.
Okay.
Thanks for holding. I found her record. How long has she had these symptoms?
About 2 or 3 days.
Has she had a fever?
I don't think so, but I'm not totally sure.
Is she having any trouble breathing?
No, she's breathing normally.
Have her symptoms suddenly gotten worse today?
No, she seems about the same.
If she has trouble breathing or gets worse quickly, please go to urgent care.
I understand, thank you.
How soon are you hoping to be seen?
As soon as possible, ideally after school in the afternoon, if you have anything available.
I have an opening tomorrow at 3:40 p.m.
Do you have anything a little later?
Let me check. Thanks for holding. I also have Friday at 4:20 p.m.
Let's take Friday at 4:20 p.m.
Okay, you are all set for Friday at 4:20 p.m.
Great, thank you.
Please arrive a little early and bring a list of any medicines she is taking.
Okay.
Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good day.